is that?
It is an octopus floating.
What'd you make it out of?
Play-Doh. And next, I'm gonna tear my octopus apart and make a jellyfish.
Ooh. How many legs does your octopus have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7? How many of them are you supposed to have?
7, 8.
Yeah. Did his other one get ripped off or something?
No.
Oh, okay. Is it?
I couldn't make a long enough one.
That's fine. Is it a heptopus then?
What?
Nothing.
Octopus?
Heptopus. Oct means 8 and hept means 7. So yours is a 7-legged one.
I'll make another leg.
Okay.
Just need to put more Play-Doh in. And yeah.